nice to be back in the city, but I actually forgot how unpleasant it is when you're on the motorbike and you have to breathe in all the CO2. It's just not nice, and sometimes you feel like even the face mask doesn't help. So I've even, like, I don't know if I'm just being over dramatic, but just like I've just got a sore head, it's just like banging, it's just like not nice at all. Crazy, but I'm back now. I'm gonna unpack what I bought and then I will decide what I'm doing next. And this is a swimming pool, so am I gonna come later, which is like nice, small but cute. Okay, so this is before. Okay, before. Also Tash. Lottie, where are you when my brows and I need you the most? Also my Tash. Oh, wish me good luck. Brows done. Tash done. Not as good as my friend Lottie does it, but it's okay. It's okay. Right, gonna try this green water. Right, so the water is green here, but look, it's red here. So yeah, so everything's good with the water, it's just the lights and the color. So yeah, because usually back in the UK it would be like, oh no, something's wrong, but yeah, it's all good. It's also good. Right, guess where we are. So the boys are going out. We're going for food, and then we're going for a dance. We're going to see a drag show. Yeah, drag show. Yeah, drag show. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It looks like a screen attached to a car. It's like a telly. It's crazy.
It's like a one-way like advertisement. So the car we're gonna get like.
So we have arrived to this flea market, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, it's just nice. And just like that, we have a beer and waiting for food. And just like that, oh my god, it looks so good. That's what we're talking about. Love wins. That's where we're going. That's where we're going. Right, so we got into this place. I'm in the toilet at the moment. But like to get there, apparently you have to have a reservation because it's like a special event or something. So we had to find friends we can share the table with. Then it was a lot of confusion because people speak in Filipino because they are like locals, and I'm trying to understand because like half of English. So basically, like we order drinks, you have to spend some certain amount of money, but we can't just like order and pay. Some later on it's gonna come up from the whole table. So I ordered like vodka and Sprite. Let's go. Right, we're moving from this. We're moving to our place. Yeah. This is my driver for today. Hi, driver. Hey. Hi, driver.
Put your things in here.
Yeah, I will.
Hi.
Hi. Right. So this one is in there. this one is in there. Right, I'm so hungry. Oh, thank you. So hungry. Huh? So hungry. I'm so I'm feeling weak. It smells nice. He's just like obsessed with this fish. Probably.
Huh?
Obsessed. Right, guys, we are hangover and we're going for food. Yeah, and health. It was good last night. It was so good. Can't remember the end of it, but it was good. Of course, we're doing this. We've got some snacks.
Hangover.
So hangover, honestly. We have arrived here for this traditional Filipino food. So let's just check it out. So first, you put some oil. Then
Let it heat for a while.
all right. So this is rice.
This is pig brains,
Okay, and
onions, and garlic. This is hanging rice.
Excited. I think this is like soy sauce. Okay. Right, so you break the ice from there, and then you just dip in.
It's so hot, be careful.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot. And then. Really good. I've got a friend. He's waiting for food, but unfortunately, not allowed. So I have to say, it was a success. So thanks to this one for bringing me here to try the food. Hi, you okay? Say hi. Hi. So yeah, we're gonna go and check him out to the hotel. I've got this, okay? Don't have much, but yeah, buy something nice, okay? Right, so. Oh, come on. Here we go. The first look in the room. Oh, okay. It is actually cute. Cute.
So cute.
It is. Oh, we need to put the card in so we can have lights.
And then
Oh, shut up. Here we go. Yes, because they asked me. He's like, and as usual, 2 bags. Actually, I've got a third one now. It's in the hotel room. I don't know how I'm gonna manage because it's getting more and more things, but I'm gonna have to bin something in case to make some space. But yeah, all good. We are going to the Winter Wonderland. Welcome to the Winter Wonderland. Right, so again, there's like a lot of different stalls there, and then you can just pick and eat. And of course, Christmas tree. Christmas tree. So we're picking up and then we're gonna get barbecue. And just like that, the rain started. That's not bad yet, but people are preparing like these big, is it called gazebos? Yeah. umbrellas. Okay, so Claire, let's pull it in for our food. Under the roof, safe.